Gorgeous people of the interwebs, I hope you're having a fan-dabby-dozy day today. Today, we're going to have a look at what's on my Christmas wish list, but also my birthday wish list, because my birthday is 2 weeks before Christmas. Being a December baby can be hard. Shout out to all my fellow December babies. Make yourselves known in the comments section down below and we'll give you a big thumbs up and we'll give you a big hug and a kiss and a heart and all the things, all the love, because being a December baby can be hard. It is the birth month of everything is Christmas. Everything is Christmas. I have tried to find birthday cards for other family members who have birthdays in December. Can't find them. Can't find birthday cards. It is all Christmas cards. This is not a complaint, it is merely an observation. It is harder than if your birthday is in April or May or pretty much any other month of the year. And the Lion has instigated a very clear rule in our house that no Christmas decorations, apart from Vlogmas, because that's going to happen. No Christmas decorations, no tree, no nothing, no Christmas cards go up until the day after my birthday. Just because he wants my birthday to be the big star of the show, and then once that's over and done and dusted with, then we move on to Christmas stuff, and I do appreciate that. So with all of that in mind, this Prezi wish list, if you like, is a combination birthday Christmas wish list. It's certainly not an expectation list. I would be happy if I received but one of these things for my birthday or for Christmas. First up, a bit of a strange one for me, but I am loving metallics at the moment. I'm loving that really high gloss metallic silver. And I do believe it was on Farfetch that I spotted these Bally patent pumps. These are a really high gloss patent silver finish, but they've got this sculptural heel detail that is just absolutely gorgeous. It is in gold. I don't know if it's metal or what it's made out of, but it is absolutely gorgeous. And I love that combination of the kind of molten silver and then this little dash of gold hardware. It reminds me an awful lot of the Jacquemus clutch that Cassie Thorpe bought, with the really high gloss metal and then this big sort of square chunky gold hardware bits on the roll down closure. The heel is 6.5 centimeters, which I think is a little bit higher than the Fendi collar breeze. Yeah, definitely higher than the Fendi collar breeze. But I think they are absolutely gorgeous, and I can totally see me wearing these with some really kind of baggy jeans and a white shirt or a white t-shirt, something really casual, and then have those shoes be the absolute star of the show. Or maybe I would have to get some sort of matching bag to go with them. I have spotted these Shoe the Bear, brand I don't actually know, I've never tried before. Shoe the Bear, these are sort of a low-cut, glittery, booty, cut-out kind of booty thing. Don't really know how to explain them, but I spotted these in black initially. They've got like a black leather or black suede version, and then I saw this glitter pair and I was like, hello. The heel looks really nice and low, and I reckon this is another great candidate for that kind of dress up, dress down. Like I said, I don't know anything about this brand. I don't know what the fit's going to be like, but I'd love to give them a go and find out. I'm wondering if I've been looking at these heels as a sort of antidote to the sneakers I've bought this year, because 2023 has been the year of the luxury sneaker for me. I bought 3 pairs. Technically the Gucci were December last year, but I only unboxed them and started wearing them this year. If you are new to my channel, then hiya! I am Gwenny and I love luxury in all of its glorious forms. And if you love luxury in all of its glorious forms, get down there, hit subscribe and ring my bell so you don't miss out on any of my luxury-based shenanigans. Show the videos you enjoy the thumbs up love, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram. Next up is this kind of light grey, light cream colour wool blend coat from Mango. Absolutely love the look of this. I've been saying in a few videos now, I think, that this year is going to be the year of winter whites for me, or maybe off-whites, because I don't think I can be trusted with white. And I've been looking at the Max Mara versions of these coats for a very, very long time. I've had them saved in my wish list on Harrods for so long. I am just too scared to spend that £860 or whatever it is on that version of that coat, thinking I'm just going to get it dirty. So I thought it would be a really good idea to sort of try something out similar. Yeah, I really like the look of this one. I think it would be brilliant for winter layering. Sticking with clothes, and yes, I would like everything that Fendi have just released in their latest collection, but none of that is on this wish list. What is on this wish list is this pair of wide leg cropped leather trousers from John Lewis. They look gorgeous. They are, oh, imagine these with those silver heels, those metallic heels from Bally, and a white shirt. Oh, what a look that would be. Now, the only problem with these trousers is they went in a 20% off sale and they sold out. Completely sold out. So I've got notifications left, right and centre. Please let me know when these come back in stock in my size. And if they do come back into stock, they might be a prezi to self, because I couldn't take the risk of anyone else not jumping on them quickly enough. I've recently changed into my gold, yellow gold jewellery. I tend to switch out my jewellery once every sort of 3 to 6 months, and I stick with it. I don't tend to change my jewellery out on a regular basis. I'm lazy that way, but what it does mean is I tend to stay focused on fine jewellery that I can wear to bed, that I can wear in the shower. I don't have to worry about taking my rings off before doing some washing up. This pair of earrings from Monica Vinader is kind of contemporary fine jewellery, if that makes sense. It is yellow gold, but at this kind of price point, it's going to be gold plated. It's not going to be solid gold. I've had these on my mind for well over a year, and the reason I've had them on my mind for well over a year is because the Lion and I bought these for our bestie's birthday over a year ago, and she looks absolutely amazing in these earrings. She looks fabulous. I absolutely love them. And then when we went to my brother's wedding, my little sister was wearing them as well. And I was like, well, I mean, that's it. That's me sold. I need to have this pair of earrings in my life, in my ears. I'm going to stick with earrings for a little bit. I don't have any other jewellery on my wish list. It's just earrings. These are from Fendi. You will be absolutely shocked to know. These have got like little diamante, diamondy, crystally bits on them. The O-lock earrings, and I do believe my lovely friend Claire here on the YouTubes was wearing these when we all met up in London recently. They look really great on her. They are super cute. We might as well stick with Fendi while we're here, because you know your girl's always going to have other things from Fendi on her wish list, and one of them is a bag, and you are not going to be surprised by this in any way, shape or form, and it is a mini baguette in the fuchsia colour that a lot of my friends here on the YouTube have already gone for. They've already bought this bag. Now, I was this close to buying it when I was in London with all the gang, and I came home with my Zucker print one instead. Now, I did say at the time the Zucker print, that's perennial, that's there forever, that's core collection. I could buy that at any time, but that time was right for me to buy that. But I have not been able to stop thinking about that fuchsia mini baguette since I saw it in the flesh. I saw it online before we went into London, and it just looked quite dark in the pictures online. Seeing it in the flesh though is a lot brighter. It's a lot more of a vibrant pink. I don't think I made the wrong decision in buying the Zucker print, because I love that bag and I use that bag a lot, but there's always room for one more mini baguette in the family. And the next and last piece from Fendi is also a bag, but it is not how you might be expecting. It is a Fendi first. My first foray into the Fendi first, but it is the Fendi first bag charm in this powdery bubblegum pink mink. It is so cute, so adorable. It comes with a little wrist strap, so you could only carry a couple of Tic Tacs in there, I believe, but wouldn't you look fabulous wearing it? I was thinking I could probably pop that onto Miss Peekaboo. Oh, wouldn't that be a gorgeous little look? It's ridiculous, it's extravagant, but that's what birthday presents are all about, right? I do have one more handbag on my wish list, and then a few pieces from Louis Vuitton, so stay tuned for those. This bag is from J.W. Anderson, and no, it's not Gary. It's not a sibling for Dale's Gary. It is not our little frog prince who we met in London, but it is equally fun, it is equally ridiculous. Oh my god, the Lion is gonna hate this. He's really gonna hate this. for so many reasons. It is this fish bag. It is so much fun, and you can carry it from as though it's been hooked, and then you can also move the strap so it goes to the tail and you can carry it as an actual shoulder bag. Again, this is something that I've been looking at for months and months and months, thinking, dare I order it, bring it into the house and see what the lion thinks, because I know he's going to hate this. It is so much fun. Okay, it's not really a winter bag, but come next summer, come next spring and summer as I'm mooching along down the beach. And yes, the last few things are from Louis Vuitton. Now, I have talked about how I've not been in love with Louis Vuitton for a very long time and how I see it more as a luggage kind of brand rather than a handbag brand. But there are a few little things that have caught my eye. There's a couple of pieces from the Christmas animation that have caught my eye. And then one thing that I just know I just need to get it. I just need to get it. We'll start with that, and that is the packing cube, or the cube d'arrangement, I think they're calling it now on the website. It is the packing cube, and it is in the PM size. I have got the MM, which you may just be able to see on my shelves there. Got it, love it, use it for traveling. It is absolutely fantastic. Could do with another 2 or 3 of those, to be honest, but I would like to go for the PM instead. So then I have that kind of variety in size and use functions, use cases. And if I don't get that for my birthday or Christmas this year, it's going straight on my 2024 wish list, because it is just one of those things. I just need to get it. And the last 2 things are from the Christmas animation, which is, you know, it's cute, it's pretty this year. I kind of agree with what Meredith has said about the Christmas animation. It's cute, but it's also a little bit, you phoned it in, Louis, didn't you? There are 2 options in the print. It is a summer scene on a holiday beach with palm trees and windsurfing, and then there's a winter scene where Vivian is ice skating. And across both of those prints and across all of the items, it appears that the lining for every single one of them is pink. So that works for me. But which print and which items have I got on my wish list? So the first one is a passport cover in the kind of tropical beach windsurfing scene, and that's because when we go on holiday, we like to go somewhere warm and a bit tropical and all of that kind of stuff. This would be my first passport cover. I've never had a passport cover before because I've kind of thought, really, what's the point in having a passport cover? But we're planning on doing some trips next year for which I will need my passport. And now I'm thinking I might need a passport cover. And the other piece is the key pouch. I have a key pouch. I've had this since 2003, early doors, 2003. I bought this for 64 Great British pounds. Yes, it was that reasonable back then. 20 years. 20 years. I've had her for over 20 years now. This is my ride or die. She has seen things. She's been dropped on sticky nightclub floors. Just lost, found, lost again, found again. Love, love, love. This is a must-have piece for anyone's collection as far as I'm concerned. Why not have one with a lovely little beach scene on it? So despite what the lion said in the recent video where he rated my bags, still not over it, about me not being a particularly good girl last year, how rude and also very untrue. I've been an excellent girl this year. I have. So there it is, my birthday and Christmas wish list, laid bare for you all to comment on in the comment section down below. What do you think of my choices? I hope you're as excited as I am to discover which pieces may actually appear for my birthday and Christmas. If you did enjoy this video, please show it the thumbs up love. It all helps that pesky YouTube algorithm. Don't forget to leave me a comment in the comment section. If you haven't subscribed, then what are you thinking? Do it now. And until I see you, yes you, for the next video, please stay safe, be kind to yourselves, be kind to others. Oh, don't my sleeves look good in this? Be kind to yourselves, be kind to others, stay fan-dabby-dozy, and bye-bye.